main reasons for a claim getting rejected in term insurance. Well, what I'm going to say is true not just for term insurance plans, but for any kind of life insurance plans. It can be quite painful if your claim is rejected, especially when you're not around. It can have serious consequences for the family and for the people dependent on that amount of money, because the financial implication can be quite high. So give it that amount of seriousness and follow these steps where people usually go wrong. So the first reason is that the details put in the application form are not accurate. A lot of details are asked in an application form when it comes to life insurance, because they're trying to give you a very large cover. And when they give you a large cover, they want to underwrite it correctly. They want to price it correctly. Hence, the questions are slightly detailed in nature. The typical questions which are asked are your income, your health details, your immediate family's health details, your education, your occupation, and the existing or other policies which you have. Now, this information needs to be filled correctly, because if these information are incorrect, there is a chance that your plan may get rejected. Now, the primary reason why this information gets filled incorrectly is because someone else fills up this application form for you. Now, what happens is, long form, you're dealing through an agent, you don't want to fill up that long application form, so you just sign it in blank and give it. Now, the agent who is actually doing the job wants to ensure that the policy gets issued, because that's when he gets paid. So he fills in everything which matches the underwriting criteria of the company, and hence the policy gets issued. But when it comes to a claim, wrong things can put you in a lot of trouble. So my advice is, you personally fill up the application form yourself and fill it up honestly. Do not try to give a wrong answer to some health detail which you want to hide. Underlying assumption, assume that the insurance company will find out the actual scenario. So if you move with that kind of assumption, chances are that you will not make a mistake while filling up the application form. Well, another very silly reason is that you don't pay the premiums on time. Suppose you've taken a monthly mode of premium payment. The premiums have to be paid every month on that date, which for a 25-year term can be quite taxing. And there is a chance that you might slip. And in case you don't make a premium payment on time, the claim can be rejected if something happens to you. So if it's an annual premium and you don't really remember the next year, the date on which the premiums have to be paid, and if you forget and the policy lapses, all the benefits are gone. And even if it's a day after the policy renewal date, it is trouble for you. The insurance companies, of course, give you a grace period. That means it varies, I think, between 15 to 30 days after the renewal period, if it's an annual premium payment plan, by which you can still make them. So if it's an annual premium which you have to pay, your renewal date is on 25th of October, and you miss it on 25th of October, insurance companies generally give you a 15-day period by which you can actually make the payment. But still, I would not recommend that you get into the grace period and make your premium payments on time. So again, I think that gives you a fair idea of why most claims get rejected. The most common reason, of course, is that people try to hide some health detail of theirs, which they think that the insurance company might have a problem with. But hiding that detail is something which eventually might cause a problem for you. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you.
So here's how you can do a term insurance comparison in a jiffy. Log on to your browser and type myinsuranceclub.com. Press go or enter. Select term plans from the list of options shown. Now select the amount of cover which you would like to have. Then select the term of the policy or the duration of the policy. Enter your date of birth, followed by gender and whether you consume tobacco or not. Enter your city of residence, followed by your basic details, name, mobile number, and email ID. We do not share any of these contact details with any partner or vendor, so it's completely between you as a customer and My Insurance Club. So show plans will take you to the list of options from different insurance companies. Almost all the major term insurance plans are covered here for a comparison. So by default they're listed sorted by popularity. That means the maximum number of people who have actually clicked or shown interest in a particular plan. You can check the plans from various insurance companies. The claims ratio is displayed. The payout benefits which you get in every plan is displayed. Further, there are a host of filters given on this page. You want to change your amount of cover, that can be done. You want to change the policy term, so you can select by number of years or till an age which you want. So you want till the age of 70. You want annual premiums, half yearly premiums, quarterly or monthly. A host of riders are available, so you can select the ones which you would want. And a few more filters in terms of a premium range and any particular set of insurance companies which you want to select. And lastly, you can sort the search results by popularity, premium or claims ratio. So as you see, quite an exhaustive comparison can be done on this page of My Insurance Club. I hope this is useful.